Hello traders. So I just wanted to make a very quick video today. Basically someone sent me a message earlier just reminding me of something that I said during the stream the other night when things were looking really very bearish. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of cover this in this very short video. Now, at the time during the stream, someone had just asked a question about what I think about certain people within the space that believe that they know everything Bitcoin is going to do and every level that it's going to hit. And basically my answer to that was that, yeah, absolutely there are people that can call every level. I believe I am one of those people as well. It's a fundamental part of being a trader. This is why we do technical analysis, is to have an understanding of where the market is likely to go and at what levels price will reverse or pivot. Okay. It's just completely fundamental to everything that we do here. There is no magic in it. I am not a market maker myself, but I do know with a very good level of confidence that I can tell you where the market is going to go next. And every time that it moves, I will have a reason that I can tell you why it moved there. Okay, so this is just yeah, quite a nice example of that just live on the stream that I did the other day. Yeah, that I just wanted to share with you guys as well. So I'm just going to quickly press play and we will watch this video very briefly. Okay. Yeah, cool. So I can tell you with like a pretty decent amount of confidence that if this does break down, if the weekly does break down, then the next levels will get a bounce, will be 30,428, well, 29k. Those will both bounce price, but you don't know whether it's going to do like something like this and then fail and then come back below and then come down and then get another bounce or something. But these will be significant levels for the price. And also, okay, so yeah, that was kind of what I was saying was a likely thing that was going to happen. And what did I say? I can tell you with quite a high level of confidence that this is what price will do. Now let's have a look at the chart. Okay, here are the levels I was talking about. I don't have that squiggly line on my chart anymore, but let's just zoom in and have a look at this. So at the time that I was making this video, price was what, roughly around here. I was saying price would go down. It would likely lose this level, come into back test, hit the yearly before that change of market structure, and then get our bounce. So something along those lines, right? Where did price go? How did it react to these levels? And if you still believe TA is nonsense, it is witchcraft, it is gambling. Yeah, just have a look at that. This was, yeah, quite a significant amount of time before any of this happened. And there aren't many people that would be able to call these levels like this, even though they are such basic elements of technical analysis. These are levels that you have to have on your chart and you have to be aware of. So once again, here is the screenshot, here's the daily, here's the yearly, here's what happened. Okay. Yeah, so I just thought that was really interesting, and I wanted to make a little extra video on that today. So no kind of bragging involved or anything like that. This is, again, like I say, this is a fundamental part of being a trader, and what I try to do within this community and within these videos is to help everybody, no matter what your level of experience is, but to be able to find these levels and be able to take these trades. Okay, we do this every single day, and yeah, if you would like to learn more about how we do this, again, the description to our Discord community is in the link in the description below. And yeah, I think that's about everything I really wanted to say in this video. I just thought this was interesting. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.